Emily, do you want to eat a snack with me?
Sure.
Okay. This is our snack. That's yours, and these are mine. Do you think that that's fair? And why isn't that fair?
Because you get 2 and I only have 1.
Oh, okay, what if I do that? Is that fair? No, it's not. Why is that not fair?
Because those pieces are bigger than these 2.
But we both have 2.
But still, these are smaller than that.
Cups in front of you?
Uh-huh.
Do you think that they have the same amount of water?
Yes.
Okay, Do those cups have the same amount of water?
Yes.
Why? That cup looks a lot bigger, though.
Well, this just because it looks bigger, this cup is shorter than this one is, but it's also wider. So it still holds the same amount of water. It just doesn't look like it does.
You have that piece of bread?
Uh-huh.
Do you think it's light or heavy?
Light.
Okay. Do you mind just rolling it into a ball, kind of, like squishing it all? Yep, just like that. Okay, good, awesome. Do you think that it's bigger or smaller than it was before you squished it?
It's neither. It's taller.
But it looks a lot smaller in your hand.
And that's because the bread used to be flat. It used to be flat. And it only looks bigger in my hand because I already rolled it into the ball.
Do you think that it weighs more or less than it did before?
It just weighs the same.
But why doesn't it weigh more or less? Because you changed its shape? Doesn't that make it weigh different?
No, the shape doesn't matter. It'll still weigh the same as long as, but if you added something to it like peanut butter or water, then it would weigh a little more because you've added something to it.
Oh, so if you don't add something to it but you change the shape, that makes it weigh the same?
Yeah.
So I have 3 friends. Their names are Kelly, Allie, and Joe. And they're all different heights. And I need you to help me figure out who's tallest. So, if Kelly is taller than Allie, and Allie is taller than Joe, who's the tallest one?
Kelly.
Kelly is why?
Because, did you say that Kelly is taller than Allie?
Yep.
And Allie is taller than Joe?
Mm-hmm.
So if Joe's the small,
What does Mommy say about lying?
she says you shouldn't do it.
Do you think that you should lie?
No.
Do you think that there are situations where you could lie and it would be okay?
Yeah.
Okay, like what?
Well, let's say that there were a whole bunch. Say that there were people that got into your car and they threatened you if you ever tell the cops that I did this to you, I will kill you. And then so the cop right after that, once they left with your car, they said, "Hey ma'am, did you see what happened? Wouldn't you say yes? And would you tell them what happened?"
Would you?
Yeah.